everybody. I hope you guys are enjoying Temu. If you know me, I love Temu, and I'm here to share with you guys some Christmas gift ideas, Christmas stuff to just get for your house, and a bunch of more. So make sure you guys follow me for my Temu Christmas haul. Christmas is right around the corner, and if you guys are looking for something that you need for gifts, for decoration, I'm here to share with you guys what I got. So I got a bunch of stuff that I'm excited to share with you guys. Now, if you're new to Temu, Temu is an awesome website where you can get a bunch of stuff for a fraction of the price. You can also get it other places, but I've noticed that Temu has the best prices of them all. If you guys are interested, I recommend downloading the app. Now, if you haven't downloaded the app, it's pretty easy. You just download it. I actually have an awesome coupon code that you guys can use, but you're going to use the code TKJ5682, and you want to claim it. I will have the link below that you guys can use it, but you will end up getting a $100 coupon bundle when you use this. So it's not a coupon code, but it is a $100 bundle of all the items that you guys can look. It does vary from person to person, but I'm excited, and you can get a lot of stuff in that $100 bundle. So definitely check it out, but otherwise just definitely check out the Temu app. It's super easy. You can do reviews from it and a bunch of stuff. I always add stuff to my cart, and then I'm like, okay, do I want to get that? But you can also save it to purchase it for later. But I'm excited to share with you guys all the Christmas stuff that I am getting from Temu. Now, I love Temu. One thing is I love to get are these slap bracelets. Now, these are a great thing to have for kids just to play around with, but I actually get the slap bracelets. Now, these are $2.39 for 12 of them. I actually use these for my vinyl. So as you guys know me, I am a crafter. I have a, Cricut machine, and I get rolls of vinyl like crazy. Now, I hate using adhesive tape because it ends up like getting all gross if I don't use the bundle for a while. So I actually use slap bracelets for around the rolls of the vinyl, and it holds it perfectly, and they're super easy to get on and super easy to get off. So I had to get some Christmas ones. Why not? So I can put those on all my Christmas vinyl that I have. But this is a great thing if you guys don't just want slap bracelets for your kids or anything. I actually just use them for a craft item, or if you need to like wrap anything up that is like wrapping paper. This is a great thing to hold wrapping paper. You just slap it right on, and there your roll of wrapping paper is on there, because again, I tape it on there and then it rips off, or I rubber band on it. It's just a pain in the butt going all the way down. But definitely use these for your vinyl or your wrapping paper. So that was a great deal for $2.99. I ended up finding this cute little acrylic ornament. Now, this ornament was just 99 cents. 99 cents. If you guys know me, I have been really into reading lately. I just finished reading. I'm on like 104 books already. I finished my goal, but I am pretty excited, and I saw this little acrylic ornament for just 99 cents. This is perfect little thing if you guys need to add something to somebody's gift or give it to them as a little gift. But they got a bunch of little books that are shaped into a Christmas tree, and I thought that was super cute, and this is just adorable. 99 cents. 99 cents for your book loving friend. But yes, 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 yes. The next thing I got was a star. Now, this can be used as a Christmas tree topper, but in my opinion, it's kind of small. There is a hole on the bottom where you can put it on the top. So this would be good for like if you guys have like a smaller tree, something kind of tiny. But my son is obsessed with Mario, and I'm like, we're gonna get this for him. I thought this would be cute, little decoration for him to have in his room to put on a little knick-knack shelf. But this was just $3.99. So it can be used as a Christmas tree topper, or it can just be used as a regular decoration. But I thought this is super cute, and you can't go wrong with something like this for just $3.99. The next thing I got is something tacky, but I absolutely love it. Now, I always have an ugly sweater party every single year. We've had one for like 15 years, and I always try to dress as tacky as can be. And I found this headband, and I'm like, okay, we gotta get this headband. This headband is $8.99. And my daughter's like, ooh, I want it. And I'm like, well, we'll see. It's got some weight to it. It's got some jewels on it. It's got Santa on it. The Santa and the Christmas tree feel like a rubber, like kind of like a rubber, and then they got the jewels. But I thought, we're gonna get this. So it's tacky and it's perfect and it's actually pretty comfortable, but look at me. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. I had to get a nice headband to wear for my ugly sweater party, or if I just want to look nice, just wear the headband. Just wear the headband. So the next thing I got is I got this for my bathroom. I've always wanted to get like funny decor bathroom. Like I've seen people like always like using scenes from a movie that have like the people covering their face or something like that. And I thought that'd be hilarious to have as bathroom decoration. But I saw this and I thought this is perfect. It says don't forget to wipe, and it's Santa. It's just like a regular tin. It's about 8 by 10, give or take. But I thought this is a cool little decoration that I can put like right above my toilet, so when people are in the bathroom, they can just see that and just laugh. I have a Santa that would go perfect with it, but this was just $4.49. I thought that was super cute to have as a little bathroom decoration. The next thing I saw, if you guys know me, I love Little Debbie Christmas snack cakes. I already found them at my store. I love them already, but I found this cool shirt, you guys. It says, "'Tis the season," and it's just a t-shirt that I can wear with my Christmas snack cakes. I have a matching cup that I made, and I'm pretty excited. I have earrings to go with this, but you guys don't, if you guys know me, you know that I love the Little Debbie snack cake, so I just had to get this. This was $6.49. $6.49, and I will have the links for all this stuff below, so if you guys are interested, you definitely want to check it out. The next thing I got were these little Christmas tree, just plaid little Christmas tree things. So what they are is just kind of little tabletop decorations. I have a tiered tray and I thought that would be super cute to put it on. But it's just like a little plaid 3-pack of Christmas tree. There's one in green and a smaller one in white. But this was just $3.49, and I thought, this is cute. I really like this. It's something simple, but it's perfect for a 3-tiered tray in the middle of my table. So I had to get that to add to it. I want to get some like other little knickknacks for that. The next thing I got, now this thing is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I kind of want to get more of these, but it is a little resin Christmas tree. Now the one I got I think is like colorful, but what it is, it's a bunch of tiny little rocks that they put in a tree. And then I think it's made out of resin, but like you guys can kind of see on the bottom. But this is absolutely gorgeous, and this has got some weight to it. It's not glass, it's resin, but I absolutely love this. It comes in different colors, so if you guys are reading and you want certain colors, make sure you read like the reviews and stuff, because that's how I figured out what colors what, because it's kind of confusing to figure out sizes and stuff and all that kind of stuff and some of those things, but I just kind of go by the reviews and the pictures. But I love this. I love this. This is super cute, and you don't even have to use this as a Christmas decoration. This could be an all-year decoration, just kind of like a tree. I think it's gorgeous. And this was just $6.99. $6.99. Awesome, awesome, awesome thing for that. Now, my daughter is obsessed with the Grinch. She loves the Grinch. She saw this and she's like, "Mom, is that the Grinch? That's a Grinch?" So this is considered a Halloween decoration / Christmas decoration, but I had to get it. It says Merry Grinchmas, and it basically is like just a little, you know, he's got his little naughty hat. It says Merry Grinchmas. He's cute. He's got like a little beanbag tuchus. But I thought this is something cute to just kind of sit by my fireplace or sit on my fireplace. He is $6.49, and I could not pass this up. Having a little Grinch doll with all my decorations. We are slowly getting Grinch decorations in our house because my kids just love it. So I thought this is perfect little thing to have as our house. And then I ended up getting this door sign, and I'm pretty excited for this. This was $11.49. So basically it says there is some who's in this house. The ribbon covers it, but it's got like, you know, the Who people from Whoville, and I thought I really like the spiral on it. I thought this is super cute. I really like this, and $11.49 for this, and then it got some string for the holes. But I'm really liking these kind of signs, and you can always add stuff to these signs. Like you could always add a bigger background, but I'm like, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And this is a great little thing to do with the 3D wood and the who's and everything. But yes, loving it for $11.49. But that was everything that I got for Christmas. I definitely got some stuff that I'm going to give my kids for Christmas, but this is just stuff to like decorate your house, decorate your tree, decorate yourself, make you look all fancy, schmancy. But again, if you guys are interested, definitely download the Temu app, and then if you want, you can use that code TKJ5682 to claim that $100 bundle code. So it's not $100 off, but it's a $100 bundle of items, so you can definitely check and see what it's all involved. But that's a great deal if you guys haven't already. Make sure you guys give this video a great big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you love seeing some hauls that I do, and I will see you guys next time. See you later. Bye bye.